and you say you're going to give yourself to God, and we there watch you, we see say you're in this wrestling here with God, because you really never ready for Lego dancehall and secular music yet. But you know, go in a relationship with the Creator to say, all right, it is what it is, and I really have little godliness in me, and when all is said and done, none of this no look how it's supposed to look. So I go really work hard like Chevelle Franklin and Stitchy and Papa San them to really show us a Christian side of myself.
Wagwan people, respect for tuning into another video. Yeah, and big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. From when you see the thumbnail and the title, then you already know what is on the menu today. And today we forward to talk about Lady Saw and Queen Ifrica. Because people, we see Lady Saw diss up Queen Ifrica in the worst way. And Queen Ifrica also clap back instantly and spit beer fire at Lady Saw. So you know, say right now, this is an all-out war, people. But also, here we want to do for me, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Also give this video a like, yeah, and share the video so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here, so people, we're gonna just jump in at the intro and come right back to the video. So no, don't go away, don't move, we soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
So now people, we see where in which Mama Saw, Marion Hall, Lady Saw, the queen of dancehall. You see me I say, yeah, right now, no know say a spice of the title there, but Mama Saw I go always be the queen of dancehall, you see me? Because really and truly in my own thoughts, none of them not bad like Lady Saw. You see me I say? Yeah, but anyways people, Lady Saw run out from Queen Ifrica and I diss up Queen Ifrica Wikid, and I make sure know say yo, she a devil and she come out her way and baiting. Yeah, and really and truly, I want to tell you say people, Ifrica run out back and clap back at Lady Saw instantly. You see me? And also I chose some shades from Lady Saw. You see me I say? Because really and truly, me I tell you say, Lady Saw put on a performance what dare your viewers and subscribers. And me I tell you say, nothing no lost from the performance. The performance was crazy. And Mama Saw just a show that she is definitely the queen of dancehall and how bad she is. You see me? She just remind the public of everything what go on. You see me? And me I tell you say, yo, to how Mama Saw deal with the stage, yeah, really and truly she angler bungle people. No doubt. You see me I say? But here I have the video and me I go make you check it out for yourself and see what really I go on. You see me? Cause right now Mama Saw say, yo, Queen Ifrica bleach out and Queen Ifrica ras and them no good and them a wobia walker. And baiting, you see me I say, and Queen Ifrica come and I say baiting people, but me even want tell you too much what go on in that video. I want you check it out for yourself, you see me I say, and tell me what you think about all of this. Down into the comment section. Yeah man, me could discuss it. You see me I say, yeah, and cause you don't know them things are good for the whole business overall. Even though you don't say at the end of the day, Lady Saw claims right now, our overall real talk, she not really do dancehall music right now. But me I tell you say right now, you see me I say, the dancing industry really miss a person like Lady Saw. You see me I say, because you don't know, Lady Saw is like the female version of Vibes Cartel. You see me I say, yeah, and me I don't know, the whole of them afraid are, we not have to call name, you see me I say, cause we not throw no stone and we not throw no shades, you see me? But you don't know, Mama Saw ultimate, and she even state that even more in her performance, and she even make the people them know, say, watch you know, you no see nothing yet. Wait till Sunfest come up and that's how she gonna let out and release the devil upon some people, you see me? But hear me I say do viewers and subscribers, just check out the video and as we said before, tell me what you think, you see me? Make we have a whole conversation about this, you see me? So hear what? Check it out.
Tell him offspring them mind them get slay. Me no have no time for he say she say. Me want to tell you something seriously. Hey, me no come here so for idle. Yeah, you want me just say? Me say, hey, me no come here so for idle. Me no come here so for dancehall title. Me no come here so for, come here so for, come here so. You want me just say? Tell them not worry about me. Because me say, hey, me no come here so fi idle. Me no come here so fi dancehall title. Me come here so fi preach up the gospel. So tell her beat out, don't be me no frightened. You hear me? I want them. fi idle. Me no come here so fi dancehall title. Me no come here so fi dancehall title. Me no come here so no come here so no come here so no. Me no come here so fi dancehall title. Hey, me no come here so fi idle. Me no come here so fi dancehall title. Me come here so fi preach up the gospel. So tell a bleach out, dopey me no frightened. Hey,
Hey, me see the how you are bleach. Me know say it up. In time me start talk them way there, you can't help on yourself.
hey, me no come here so fi idle. Me no come here so fi dancehall title.
About how you are bleach. You know wish me did a blood clot bleach. Me a copper color.
So tell a bleach out, dopey me no frightened.
And me a the copper color Jamaica. You remember when I used to call me copper color? Yeah, me a copper color. But look up the copper color people them. The sun people them. But look them up.
Me say, hey, all witches are warlock. Me I tell you right now, Steffi dress back. Me a one Christian who clap back. And when me clap back head, must grab so me say, put this on me Bible. And of a uno a Satan disciple. The devil have you like a horse in a bridle. Sit down up in your saddle and I ride you. Jezebel come kiss up. Come kiss. Take a kiss out of this, hey. Come kiss out me Bible. And of a uno a Satan disciple. The devil have you like a horse in a bridle. Sit down up in your saddle and I ride you. Jezebel.
Ladies, sir, you need to cut out the fuck, you know. You see, you's a woman where you's a very wrong and strong kind of woman, you know, sir. And right now, you can call this a Queen Ifrica lose her blood clotted and I call up everybody name. But you go looking at the history of the name them when me a call and the contribution where them name them make to the destruction where happening in Jamaica right now. And me just want to say to you, sir, when time Jacob pre-dead, you run God church out of fear. Seeing? And never because you're tired of a bad mind or nothing. The thing they just look spooky and you run God church. Alright, fine, you run God church and you say you're going to give yourself to God and we there watch you. We see say you're in this wrestling with God because you're really never ready for Lego dancehall and secular music yet.
So now people, tell me what you really think about all of this between Queen Ifrica and Lady Sa, you see me? Tell me what you think what Queen Ifrica say, you see me? Because basically watching at the end of the day, yo, Lady Sa say, yo, them become kiss out our Bible. That sound like, say, basically Lady Sa want to tell them, say, yo, come kiss out something else, you see me? But then and there, you don't know, say, a mama saw that from long time, you see me? Yeah, but tell me what you think about all of this when it comes to Lady Sa and being a Christian. Tell me if you don't think, say, yo, Lady Sa go back to the dancehall or what. You see me? I say, yeah, because basically to how Lady Sa deal with the stage and nothing normal. You see me? I say, it would have come like a dancehall performance. Only thing you don't know the Bible and be a thing she a show. You see me? Because right in other performance, the Lady Sa show bass shades. You see me? Shades are touch Spice over here and some touch Queen Ifrica over here. So you see me? Yeah, and basically Queen Ifrica says she not bleach. You see me? I say, tell me what you all think about that. You see me? Look on the screen right now and you be the judge of everything. You see me? I say, yeah, so tell me the truth. When you really feel like Queen Ifrica bleach or not, just share your thoughts down into the comment section. You see me? And really and truly, I want to tell me also what you think about what Queen Ifrica say in the last right they say. Basically she say yo from Jacob pre-dead and beating is like Lady Sa get coward and run going to church cause at them time that them a wonder for some foul play did a go on. Because you know say most people say at the end of the day Obia them did Obia Jacob pre, you see me? So she say Lady Sa get scared at that and run going to church and then I talk about the business too bad mind and all of them little things, you see me? But here what me I go do people, me I go make you take in the rest away Queen Ifrica say and then come back to the video. So here what, check it out.
Church and you say you're going to give yourself to God and we there watch you. We see say you're in this wrestling with God because you're really never ready for Lego dancehall and secular music yet. But you know, going in a relationship with the creator to say, alright, it is what it is. I'm really have like a godliness in me and when all is said and done, none of this no look how it's supposed to look. So I'm going to really work hard like Chevelle Franklin and Stitchy and Papa San them for really show us a Christian side of myself. Now, you make Joe Bogdanovich them blood clot and Cataborough them a pull you out now to come back in a secular world. And you're dead now. You're not even humbling your transition because we know say the God world and the Jesus world are one big old sham bumbo clot world anyway. So alright, you come back to secular. Do it in a way where we can actually welcome you now in a decent and proper way, no, sir. Why you come and talk about a fear titty them and a fear bat it? Love the girl now. She do her body and she do what she do to herself and she really a try to move on from it. So nobody come join back the line now with no titty and breast argument and them something there. Come call Spice, make it up with Spice and no set back dancehall on the female side and make the man them see say dancehall can set on the female side and have real love and real unity. You come in and rush in like a competition, you come for come bulldozer back in place where the left and bulldoze. You understand what I say, sir? You need to do better now, man, and lead by example. Because I confuse you come across as. You know, I come across as a woman where I try find her footing and I try make some money and I try live how you want to live for please and serve God. You talk about you go serve God and spread the word of God, but you talk about your titty them when you fake and your titty them. Find a different way if you say it. Because that not palatable what you do. I mean, don't know who a pet you and not tell you the bumbuckler truth. Because one thing with Queen Ifrica, I love when people tell me the truth. See, tell me the truth about me. Me I wait for somebody to come tell me the real truth about me. You understand? Some of us want to say, ladies, stop the fuckery and know if you love God, show us you love God. And stop going, like I say, you're confused about money making. You understand? And wanting to belong. Because you don't need to belong, sir. You are, ladies, the greatest. Marion Hall, ladies, any one of them, you're great. Stop the fuckery. Yes, somebody need to tell you, stop.
Yes, so basically now people, we want to think about what Ifrica say, right? Because basically, yeah, nothing when she say yo a facts, because basically she even say yo, ladies have to stop talk about breasting and them little thing there while being in church and saying she a Christian, you see me? Yeah, and basically she say yo, ladies have to think say at the end of the day she will unite with Spice and baiting and tap through a word off of Spice, you see me? And basically she say yo, it come like ladies have play with God when time at the end of the day she move a certain way, you see me, or act a certain way, you see me I say. And really and truly to all of the Christian them, what do you really think about ladies as behavior? You see me I say, like basically yeah, we know say a Christian song she sing and she say she push the agenda of God, you see me I say, but to how she deal with it, viewers and subscribers, just tell me what you think, you see me? Because basically it's a hot performance, but it is definitely a hot performance for the dancehall. Because if you really check the ratio, that was a dancehall stage, you see me I say, and really and truly nothing with Queen Ifrica say a fox, even though Queen Ifrica is a hypocrite to fear thing to same way, which is Rasta. You see me I say, cause Rasta no fi bleach, and at the end of the day, you don't know say even with the false breast and thing where ladies are lick out pan Queen Ifrica as a Rasta fi lick out pan them thing they too. You see me I say? So basically, all in all, here what I want to know though. Just tell me what you think down into the comment section. Yeah man, make we discuss it. You see me I say? Yes, also consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Yeah, and just give the video a little like. Yeah, like it up for me right now. Yeah, and also share the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here. You see me? One Flava family. You see me? Peace, love, I'm out.